Every refined dessert begins with carefully chosen ingredients. Quality is decided long before the oven is ever warmed. Precision starts with balance: fat, flour, and fruit. A restrained hand defines refinement. Consistency is crafted, not guessed. Now, creation begins. Every gram moves with purpose. Texture is engineered through control.
Time restores what drying removed. Nothing excessive. Nothing missing.
Flavor deepens through restraint.
All paths meet here.
Structure is born in motion.
Patience keeps the batter alive.
Measured restraint defines elegance. Texture tells the story.
Nothing leaves without approval. The cake takes shape. Uniformity is respect for the craft. Precision leaves no room for chance. Heat transforms intention into reality.
Time is the final ingredient.
Balance reveals itself.
Rest completes the bake.
Form is respected.
Only refinement passes forward.
Elegance never shouts.
Flavor matures in silence. Stillness refines complexity. Ready to be shared. After the factory, the journey continues into everyday life.
Craft meets choice at the moment of purchase.
A refined dessert finds its way home. Moments become memories around the table.
And the flavor confirms everything that Care created.
And this is how modern factories produce refined fruitcake from start to finish.